Hey Mike, it's me. Hey Johnny, what do you got for me this weekend? I have an interesting load. I have a round trip to Pennsylvania. Round trip to PA? When I was recruited, they told me they don't do any Eastern Seaboard. We don't. It's a one-off, but I really need your help. I really don't feel comfortable going to Pennsylvania. Listen, I know you really like the Texas loads and the Florida loads, but that same customer asked me for a favor. What am I supposed to tell him? But why me? We have 100 other drivers. Because I can count on you, and I know you're gonna get the job done right. Just do me a favor. I'll owe you one. Okay, fine. Send me the details. I'll do it. But do you have a reload coming back? I have a reload. I have the confirmation in my hands. Okay, all right.
6 hours later.
Johnny, how's it going? I'm empty in Pennsylvania in this hellhole. What do you got for me? Hang tight. I'm gonna find